Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphone SONY XM6 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your headphones at the device list. And in the third line we have a button what called Disconnect, but before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. When you click Disconnect, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but it leaves your headphones at the device list. And if you select Unpair, it will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now let's tap on it, and as you can see, we just stopped Bluetooth connection, but we have it as a device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.